welcome back to our channel. Looking for a smart, all-in-one countertop appliance that can microwave, steam, air fry, and bake all without cluttering your kitchen? Meet the Midea 4-in-1 multifunctional microwave steam oven. This powerhouse delivers 32 auto functions, including 24 preset menus plus 8 custom modes like defrosting, fermenting, keeping warm, and even cavity deodorizing. 4-in-1 multifunctional cooking. Midea Multifunctional Microwave Steam Oven features 4-in-1 functionality with Xpress Steam, Xpress Fry, and Xpress Wave. It has 24 preset menus and 8 additional modes including defrost, ferment, keep warm, cavity deodorization, cavity cleaning, evaporating flume cleaning, deep cleaning, and cavity drying. Adjustable Power Microwave Oven. This microwave oven's inverter technology offers fast and uniform cooking with intelligent power and temperature adjustments. It has 5 power levels for precise control. Healthy Air Fryer with Graphene Tube. Midea Air Fryer features true 3D graphene technology and offers ultra-high thermal conductivity. Its quick heating and cooling capabilities help the oven maintain optimal cooking temperatures, resulting in crispier, juicier, and more evenly air-fried food. Quick steaming with dual steam tubes. When in operation, this steamer's dual steam tubes release high-temperature steam, enveloping food in ultra-high heat within 30 seconds to lock in natural flavors and nutrients. It has 6 temperature settings from 125 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Precision Temperature Control Oven. Midea Oven offers 10 temperature levels for selection, ranging from a low of 225 degrees Fahrenheit to a high of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply turn the knob to set your desired temperature. Equipped with 1500 W upper and lower baking tubes. Healthy Steam-Assisted Grill. This toaster oven uses steam-assisted technology in combi mode to remove excess oil and salt from food in just 3 steps, making grilling healthier. Step 1. High-temperature grilling melts oil and fat. Step 2. High-temperature steam strips and washes away oil and fat. Step 3. The grill tray drains the oil and fat. There you have it. Midea's 4-in-1 microwave steam oven isn't just a gadget, it's a versatile culinary companion. With intuitive touch control, IoT app remote access, and multifunction cooking modes that save space and time, it's perfect for busy kitchens and healthy home cooking. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.